If you haven't heard already, kanang mga mag-inom-inom og tambal na wala gi-prescribe sa doctor, every medicine has a side effect. And some of these side effects may be injury sa atong kidney or injury sa lawas, no? Sa gut or sa kidney. So, if you are like first time pa naminaw sa atong program, welcome to this live Facebook Live. We do this every Sunday 6 p.m. para sa knee injury patients, and we also do a Facebook Live for arthritis patients every Saturday at 6 p.m. So, naa si Ma'am Marivic from Banawa, Cebu City. God bless and thank you. I hope loud and clear ni ang atong kuan ma'am broadcast. We also have mga questions. We're going to check the chat nato, no? So, we have a Facebook group specific for knee injury patients, kanang gitawag og Facebook group called ACL Reconstruction Community Cebu. And this Facebook Live para gyud ni sa mga na-injury sa tuhod, especially kadtong mga questions in the ACL Reconstruction Facebook group. Now, we also actually have a chat group dedicated for the ACL Reconstruction Community Facebook group that we get questions from. So, sometimes we are very busy, no? Dili ko makatubag sa inyuhang mga pangutana sa chat. We try to look at all the questions na inyong gipost sa chat group and we try to answer it today as much as possible. Good evening and shout out to Vilma from Aklan.